Hello guys, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style, your YouTube home decor channel. Now if you have not taken the time to do so already, do me a big favor and please subscribe to the channel. It will help me out a lot, and also let me know that you're liking the videos. Speaking of videos, go and take a look at some of our previous videos. You guys, I have videos on just about like every single topic, and we are actually expanding from there. Okay guys, so this is just going to be a quick home decor under 5 video featuring some of the most beautiful, gorgeous, and of course luxurious playhouses that I have seen. If you all have children, nieces, nephews, grandchildren, oh my goodness, I feel like they would just love this. Now the only downside that I see is that a lot of these little houses and homes are super pricey, from $5,000–6,000 to some that are $30,000, you guys. You will definitely be able to spot those, but you know kids, they'll play with it for a few years and then they've outgrown it and they're done, and you basically have this tiny home in the backyard on your hands. So also comment down below, is this something that you would invest in if you had the finances or resources to do it? Honestly, even if I had the money, I don't know, you guys. I just feel like it would get used for a few years and then nothing. So comment down below, let me know what you think. I'm going to let you enjoy the rest of the video. Bye guys. As always guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with other home decor lovers, and subscribe. Also hit that notification bell. I will see you in the next video. Bye friends.